Hey, what's up YouTube? It's the Steam Clean stream. In the car today. It's Sunday morning, quiet morning. We're just taking a look at inside here, and I think we're gonna clean the car today. Coffee stains and other nasty cup holder region. The upholstery is a disaster. Oh man, yeah, we're gonna need a lot of help with this one. So I think we're gonna hit all this with a steam cleaner, just a regular steamer, and then we've got a Bissell Spot Pro, I think it's called, with a 3-inch tough stain attachment. It's gonna knock all this out. So yeah. All right, what's the first step?
First,
trigger, right? And then brush, and then yes. All right, give it a try, dude. Okay. I think we're done with these seats here. I think they're cleaner. So what happens is this thing sucks it all up. This is the clean tank. So this is removable, and you add concentrate and clean water here. And then this is the dirty tank. So this is what we just took out of the car, and it does look pretty dirty. We're gonna hit it with a steamer, and then wipe off with a microfiber cloth, and all this stuff is going to go away.
well, I did this and I toasted it already.
Okay.
I toasted it and then I bumped it with this.
You tossed it and you bumped it with the bat?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, bud. All right, let's turn on the steamer and get going here. Okay, looking better now. Gonna take a break, then come back, finish the rest of this. Vacuum the floors, steam all around, like this stuff here, all around the seats, and then we'll be done.